Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if the function key for brightness settings is not working on your Windows computer and the slider is just not working or functioning properly. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions I suggest doing if you have an FNK on your keyboard. Alright? And then tap the FNK with and without the functions key combinations. So just try tapping the FNK as well as and see if you are able to then adjust the brightness control settings. So makikita nyo dito sa ating keyboard na kailangan mo lang itap tong FNK para ma-fix yung brightness error. Alright? And then after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and itap mo lang tong yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. So copy lang natin yan. And next step ay dito sa taas kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then i-click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then i-click mo lang yan and press mo lang yung enter. And so mag-pop up itong tinatawag na hardware and devices. Alright, so cross lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa advanced ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dapat naka-check tong apply repairs automatically. So i-check mo lang yan. And ang susunod, kailangan mo lang itap dito sa baba yung next. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so after dito sa hardware and device, so troubleshoot complete. And next step, so cross lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart, alright? And if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the keyboard driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you had to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong device manager, and next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboards. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan mo lang i-update itong ating keyboard driver. Okay? So kung paano ba yan i-update? So select and right click and itap mo lang tong update driver. And then makikita mo dito yung dalawang options na search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager and then dito sa start menu, at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix the brightness function key not working in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.